So welcome to David and Alex on Cars, and thank you for watching our first review. In this gorgeous British weather, there's only one place for me to start.
Man's never been in marquee when it's shut down, eh? Trust me, daddy. Yeah. Hey, man's never been in when it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut.
There is just something about this car that I think is absolutely gorgeous. This is the 2006 model. It's the 2.7. This is going to look massively chavvy, but there's one thing I've got to do. So why some of you cry, David, this is not a very practical car. Here is the front boot. It's definitely big enough to get some luggage in. It's so good. There's room. Not room for two, but definitely a good size. And now for the rear. This one not as big, but you do. That's a bit better. You do get the idea. So this savage little animal with plenty of boot space cost you around just shy of 11, but it does have 240 brake horsepower and a top speed of 160. And here's another one now. Woo! Give him a wave. Sad. It does say a combined fuel consumption of around 29.4, 30 miles to the gallon. I'm giving it a little bit of welly and I'm getting 26. You've obviously got to take it into consideration long journeys, and going through city centres you're probably not gonna put your foot down as much. I'm just showing off for the camera. One thing to be careful of is when I had mine, it's mid-engined, so the engine's just behind the driver's seat, and it is rear wheel drive, so it is quite back heavy and all the power goes to the back wheels, so it is liable for the back end to come out, which is actually quite fun and a bit of a rush, so don't worry about it. There's just something about this car that makes me want it. It's small, it's nippy, it's fast. One thing that I have always liked with the Boxster is it does come with heated seats. Okay, so no heated seats. Boom. One quite cool thing that they've changed from the old model to sort of like what would now be the middle model is you can actually put the roof down when you're doing less than 31 miles an hour. So, to summarise, I feel if you're looking to get a new car, you want some power, you want two seats, this is the best car you could buy, coming in at just under 11,000. It's 10,950, and you just can't, in my opinion, get any more car for your money with that. So this is Alex and Dave on Cars. Comment down below cars you want to see reviewed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our Instagram in the description box below.